Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I am Sadarsh and our today's topic is prime numbers. Okay, now we'll see the contents in this video. We'll see prime numbers, what is prime numbers, etc. History of prime numbers, how prime numbers were formed, how to identify prime numbers. If I say 3 is a prime number, how will I identify that is a prime number or not? And how to identify prime numbers in a simple function. And that are our topics in this video. So let's see our first topic, prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Any whole number larger than 1 that cannot be divided by any other number except 1 and the number itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. So any number larger than 1 and cannot be divided by any number except 1 and the number itself. These numbers are called prime numbers. Example: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. This is in the order 1 to 20, all the prime numbers. Okay, now I will tell you one fact, good to know. 2 is the only even number which is also a prime number. No other even numbers are prime because they can be divided by 2. That is a fact, right? If we take 30 is not a prime number because it is an even number and it can be divided by 2. 30 divided by 2, 15. No remainder. That's why we can find it. And I suggest you to see the division video first so that you understand prime numbers. So now let's see the next one, which is how to identify prime numbers. History of prime numbers. Over 2000 years ago, very long ago, right? The ancient Greek mathematician Euclid noticed that some numbers are only divisible by 1 and the number itself. These numbers were then called prime numbers, and that word traveled through time, and now 2000 years later we are studying it. Just imagine, we made a new thing in mathematics. 2000 years later, another person is studying it, and we know it. How happy we'll be. And if Euclid was alive now, he will be so happy that he made one thing in mathematics, prime numbers, and now we are studying it. Now let's move on. How to identify prime numbers. Think of a number from 1 to 100. Okay, let's think of an example. I showed you in prime numbers, what is prime numbers example. So let's look 13. Here are our questions. Answer we may give. Okay, first question. Is the number 2, 3, 5, 7? No, it is not 2, it's not 5, it's not 3, it's not 7. It's 30. So, it's no. Yeah, there is a columns, prime and not prime, and the meaning of our answers. So, we got the answer no. But it was yes, it might be prime. And if it's going to the next question, also it might be prime. We can't say that it's not prime, right? Is the number divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 7? 13 is not divisible by 2, is it? No. Remainder 1 will come. 13 divided by 2, it will come 6 and remainder 1 will come. And 13 divided by 3, 4, remainder 1 will again come. 13 divided by 2, 13 divided by 5, we'll get 2, remainder 2. And if we do 13 divided by 7, 1, 6 remainder will come. So we can't say 13 is divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or 6. No. So 13 is a prime number. But if it was if I consider 6, is the number 2, 3, 5 or 7? No. So I'll go here. Is the number divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 7? Divisible by 2, divisible by 3. So yes. So 6 is not prime. But 13 is prime. Now I'll show you in a flow chart. That is in the topics also. Yeah. The same thing in our whole chart. Think of a number from 1 to 100. We will do another number. 19 also I told. So, is the number 2, 3, 5 or 7? No. So, it will go here. Next question. If it was yes, it is prime. But if it was no, it can be prime or not prime. So, is the number divisible by 2, 3, 5 or 7? 19 is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. 3 also it's not divisible because 3 6 are 80 and 5 3s are 15, also not divisible. 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, not divisible. So now let's look. No. So 19 is also prime. So now let's move on, and this is the end of our video. Thank you everyone. See you next video. Love, Sadarsh.